Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Fusion, that generation from year 2013 to year 2020. If you need to find where the AC compressor fuses are located, we have up to 3 of them. Some control the AC clutch, AC compressor, solenoid, multiple components. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them, where you can buy cheap parts to use fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, and why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. So guys, now the AC compressor fuses, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on that generation Ford Fusion right here. Even if you have different year, that generation, it should work guys. Now we need to work in a fuse box that's under the hood. So if you open the hood, on the driver's side you see that box here, that cover that looks like a T. Remove it. Underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts to use for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So guys, for the AC compressor we need to check up to 3 different fuses. One of them, you see that fuse, that's known as fuse 11 and 12, it's a double fuse. Fuse number 12 is the one that you need to check. Then right here on the bottom, that's fuse 18, 19, 21, 22. That fuse right here will need to be checked. And lastly, we need to check one more, which is known as fuse number 55. So you're going to come, that's 54, 55, double fuse again. That portion of it that you will need to check. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.